Hey guys, welcome back to the programming section of data engineering animation, and I'm back with another pattern solving question. So this is your pattern that we're going to solve. This is known as square shape pattern. So let us go to the logic how we'll solve it. So just as of now, let me mark some what you say rows and columns. So suppose if my 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is my column numbering, and this would be my row numbering for now. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is my row numbering, and I would just do one sorry, just to separate it so that you won't get confused. One, two, three, five. Okay, so basically 5 rows and 5 columns. These are the numbering of the column, these are the numbering of the rows. And first let me take a variable rows is equals to 5. Okay, now for I in range, this is my row loop, and I will go till rows plus 1. Okay, so basically I will run the loop 5 times, which will starting from 1 and will go to uh, 6. This is the sixth number, so basically 1 2 3 4 5 5 rows would be printed. Now for j in range, from 1 comma rows plus 1 again. Why I'm doing this? Because see, for every row you have to print the maximum number of columns, that is 5 as of now. So if I start my loop from 1 and go till 6, rows plus 1 would be 6. So that means the loop would be executed 5 times, which is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is how I am going to that logic. I have to print 5 rows also and 5 columns also in every row. So that is why I have taken it as from 1 to rows plus 1. It will run for every row. These 5 columns would be printed. Now if you see, if whenever this is j, let me write somewhere here, this is j. Oh, sorry. Okay, whenever j is what you say less than or equals to I, if j is less than or equals to I, what we are going to print, we are going to print I only. Okay, so suppose in this consider this row, in this row I would be 1, and whenever j is less than or equals to I, only I would be printed, that is 1. For second row, till here j is less than or equals to I. Okay, for this one j is 1, for this one j is equals to less than equals to I. So what we are printing, we are printing directly I. And that is why I have written rows and columns for you beforehand only, so that you are able to get to my logic. Else, I'll just scroll it down a bit. Else what I will do, else I will print j comma end is equals to this. Okay, and when this condition becomes false, suppose for this value, the value of j is 3 and value of row is 2, so j is not less than equals to I, means it has become greater than I, then we are going to print j directly. So it becomes 3 and then 4 and then 5. Okay, take any row, suppose this row, j is 2, I is 4. Is j less than equals to I? Yes, j is less than equal to I, so we will directly print value of I only. And consider this, no, consider this. For fourth row, where I is equals to 4, j is equals to 5. J is not less than I, j has become greater than I, so we are printing j. Okay, so I hope you understood my logic. And after the for loop, I will just do print for the change in line. And so this would be my code for this question. And let me remove this and let us run. And see, we got the exact pattern that we required. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. So and any time where j is less than or equal to I, you are printing the value of I. If j is greater than I, we are printing the value of j. And for every row we are printing 5 columns, so that is why our j, for each I, our j will run 5 times only, which is equal to the number of rows time. So I hope you understood this pattern. This was simpler than the Pascal one, just some important things to keep in mind, how to, when to print I, when to print value of j. So I will be back with another LeetCode question in my next video. So stay tuned, keep learning, keep practicing. Till then, goodbye.